Welcome to Compare to Win. The best interior door is probably one of the most overlooked yet impactful elements in your home's design, capable of transforming a space from ordinary to extraordinary with its style, functionality, and ability to define the ambience of each room, making it a crucial choice for homeowners seeking to enhance both the aesthetic appeal and the practical flow of their living environment. Number 5. PetSafe Easy Install Plastic Pet Door for Small Pets. Introducing the PetSafe Plastic Pet Door, designed for effortless installation in wood, PVC, metal, or paneled doors. Get your pet's freedom set up in minutes. This door features a rust-free, paintable plastic frame for long-lasting use. The weather-resistant flap ensures reliable performance and can be personalized to match your home's aesthetic. Control your pet's access with the included lockable slide panel. The flap is perfectly sized for small pets up to 15 pounds, offering both security and convenience. Enjoy a smooth swing in a flap designed for your pet's comfort. Its durable construction ensures it can handle daily use by your furry friend. With over 25 years of experience, PetSafe is dedicated to creating safe and innovative products. We are committed to enhancing your pet's life and strengthening the bond you share. Proudly made in the USA, this pet door reflects our commitment to quality and local care. Trust in a product that supports your pet's well-being. What we like. This pet door is incredibly easy to install in various door types, making it a perfect DIY project. Its rust-free plastic construction ensures durability and low maintenance. If you're looking for a convenient way to give your small pet independence without compromising security, this is the ideal choice. The lockable panel offers peace of mind when you need to restrict access. What people say. The installation was incredibly straightforward thanks to the thorough, easy-to-follow instructions. It has a clean, high-quality look once installed and functions perfectly. This door was very easy to install. I did it in less than 30 minutes. We have had it in place for a cottage months now and our outdoor cats have transitioned very well. It keeps the wild critters out of the barn, and it holds up very nicely. The flap is easy for the cats to go through, cats of all ages, from 6 months to 5 years old. The magnet keeps the glass closed and the draft out and it fits very well. The plastic construction makes it significantly lighter than metal alternatives, which made the installation process much more manageable. Despite being plastic, it feels sturdy and has withstood months of frequent use without showing signs of wear. The paintable surface is a nice touch. I was able to match it perfectly to my door color. The weather stripping creates a good seal, and I haven't noticed any drafts even during windy weather. Number 4. Everlasting Comfort Two-Sided Under Door Draft Stopper. Tired of drafts? Our solution is incredibly easy to install. Simply cut the foam, insert it into the cover, and slide it under your door. No tools or damage required, just instant comfort. Experience peace and quiet like never before. This draft stopper effectively blocks out unwanted noise, light, and even odors. It's the perfect addition for any room, creating a more serene environment. Keep your home comfortable all year round while saving on energy bills. It acts as a powerful barrier, keeping warm air in during the winter and cool air in during the summer. Enjoy a consistent, comfortable temperature indoors. Designed for versatility, it fits doors ranging from 30 to 36 inches wide and works seamlessly on all floor types. Whether you have wood, tile, or carpet, it provides a secure seal without damaging your floors. Crafted from durable polyester fabric, it's built to withstand daily use, pets, and kids. This long-lasting solution ensures your home stays comfortable and protected through every season. This is more than just a draft stopper, it's a home essential. Protect your space from drafts, noise, and unwanted elements, ensuring a comfortable and peaceful living environment all year long. What we like. This underdoor draft stopper is a fantastic solution for enhancing comfort and reducing noise. Its soundproofing foam effectively blocks drafts, keeping your room warm in winter and cool in summer. If you're a renter or looking for a non-permanent solution to improve your home's insulation and quietness, this is an excellent option. It's easy to install and won't damage your doors or floors. What people say. Excellent product and a major money saver. First time I haven't had 2 drugs and a rolled towel piled against the door to stop a draft that can snuff a candle. Super easy to slide on and boom. No draft. The house feels warmer, the furnace cycles are farther apart. Absolutely reduced noise coming from a room, reduced draft and insulated better the room itself. It's straightforward on how to put together and use, and it's lasted a long time and still just as good as when I bought it, so I'd say quality and value for money is great. The draft coming in from outside was gone. And when I woke up in the morning there were 2 bugs outside the door that would have otherwise been able to just get in, but this stopped them from entering. Number 3. Adjustable silicone door draft stopper white. Crafted from pure silicone, this draft stopper is built to last. It's flexible, resilient, and won't damage your floors, ensuring easy door operation even on uneven surfaces. Keep your home comfortable year-round. It effectively prevents air leaks, helping you save on energy costs by keeping warm air in during winter and cool air in during summer. Enjoy a quieter environment. Its triple-layer design not only stops drafts but also muffles outside noise and acts as a barrier against crawling critters. Featuring an upgraded, widened adhesive backing, it stays firmly in place. You won't experience dragging noises when opening or closing your door. Get it installed in under a minute. Simply measure, cut to size, and adhere it to your door. It's adjustable to fit gaps up to 1.5 inches. Perfect for a variety of doors, including exterior, interior, and even RV doors. It also works well on windows, garages, and basements to seal gaps. What we like? This door draft stopper utilizes a thickened silicone material and a unique hollow arc cavity design for superior insulation and sound dampening. Its strong adhesive backing ensures it stays in place, even with daily wear and tear. If you need a robust and effective seal for your interior or exterior doors, especially in areas with uneven floors or high traffic, this product is a great fit. It's designed to save energy and reduce noise effectively. What people say. Installation was quick, they are flexible but stay secure, and they've helped block drafts, airflow, and keep the room more comfortable. Extremely easy to install and actually looks nice. This winter had a lot of air movement and these eliminated that issue. Under door draft is gone, the installation was easy and fit a multiple amount of door sizes and gaps. It's thick and flexible and has good adhesive. Number 2. HOSOM 30-pack matte black rounded door hinges. Upgrade your doors with these heavy-duty hinges. Crafted from solid steel with a sleek matte black finish, they offer long-lasting durability and a modern look. Featuring removable pins, installation and removal are a breeze. This makes them perfect for both new installations and replacements, saving you time and effort. Designed with a standard 3.5 by 3.5 inch size and a 5/8 radius, these hinges are compatible with most interior residential doors. They come with all necessary mounting screws for your convenience. From bedrooms and living rooms to offices and bathrooms, these hinges are suitable for a wide range of applications. Enhance the functionality and appearance of any space. Experience superior performance with these thoughtfully designed hinges. They are built to last and provide reliable functionality for years to come. What we like? These heavy-duty door hinges are crafted from solid steel with a sleek matte black finish, offering both durability and a modern aesthetic. The removable pins make installation and adjustments incredibly simple. If you're looking for reliable and stylish hardware for your interior doors, especially for a DIY project or replacement, these hinges are an excellent choice. They provide superior performance and a long-lasting finish. What people say. The door is made of solid wood, which gives it a substantial feel and good sound insulation. The pre-drilled holes for the hinges and doorknob were perfectly aligned, making installation straightforward. The smooth, white finish is ready for paint or stain, allowing for easy customization to match any decor. Number 1. TDCHINGES 30-pack matte black 3.5-inch door hinges. Introducing our 30-pack of 3.5-inch matte black door hinges. These heavy-duty hinges are built to last, providing a smooth and quiet operation for any interior door. Each hinge comes with 180 free screws for a quick and hassle-free installation. Their robust design ensures they can rotate 270 degrees, offering flexibility and durability. Perfect for a wide range of applications, from bedrooms and closets to studies and outdoor buildings. These hinges are designed to fit seamlessly into any doorway or cabinet. Crafted from high-quality, solid iron, these hinges offer a strong and sturdy foundation for your doors. Their plain bearing design guarantees a smooth operating experience. Featuring aerospace-grade lubricants, these hinges can withstand high temperatures up to 250 degrees Celsius without melting or leaking, ensuring a clean and reliable performance year-round. Choose TDCHINGES for your home improvement DIY projects. We are committed to providing quality hardware and ensuring customer satisfaction with every purchase. What we like. Constructed from high-quality iron with a no-squeak design and advanced lubricants, these door hinges offer smooth, quiet operation for years to come. They are built to withstand high temperatures without lubricant leakage. If you prioritize quiet performance and long-term durability in your door hardware, especially for high-traffic areas or sensitive environments like bedrooms and offices, these hinges are a top-tier selection. They are perfect for a wide range of applications. What people say. These are perfect and heavy-duty while fitting in the doors we have exactly. The kits comes with everything you need. 10 doors worth. They are sturdy and come with all the screws. Exactly what I needed. They look just like the picture and fit just right. The weight is of a normal hinge and they function just like a normal hinge. They were adjusted straight into the grooves of our doors perfectly. These black door hinges are exactly what I was looking for. They have a sleek, modern look that adds a nice touch to my doors. The quality is excellent, sturdy, well-made, and they fit perfectly without any issues. I also appreciate that they came with matching black screws, which made installation seamless and kept the look consistent. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.